Forget those flimsy camp chairs that leave you aching after 5 minutes. This Northroad Moon chair claims to be your ultimate portable comfort zone, supporting up to 300 pounds while still being incredibly easy to carry. But does it truly live up to the hype? Well, let's dive in. The first thing you notice about the Northroad Moon chair is its unique, inviting shape. It's not just a flat seat, it's a padded saucer design that really cradles you. You sink into it, and honestly, it feels like a mini sofa you can take anywhere. The dimensions, roughly 33 inches wide by 33 inches high and about 20 inches deep, give you plenty of room to relax without feeling cramped. It's surprisingly spacious for a compact chair. Durability is a big concern with outdoor gear, and Northroad seems to have nailed it here. This chair is built with a heavy-duty, powder-coated alloy steel frame. That's not just marketing speak, it feels incredibly solid. It confidently supports up to 300 pounds, which means most adults can sit back without a second thought about stability. You can feel the quality in the construction, and that peace of mind is invaluable when you're out in nature. Now, for the little things that make a big difference. The integrated cup holder on the side is a game changer. No more balancing your drink precariously on uneven ground or constantly reaching for a separate table. It's perfectly placed to keep your beverage, phone, or even a small snack right within arm's reach. It's a small detail, but it really enhances the overall convenience, especially when you're trying to unwind by the campfire or watch a game. And speaking of convenience, this chair is designed for life on the go. Weighing in at around 11 pounds, it's not featherlight, but it's certainly manageable. What makes it truly portable is the quick folding capability and the included sturdy carry bag with straps. Setting it up is a breeze, literally unfold and sit. Taking it down is just as fast, making it ideal for those spontaneous trips to the beach, a fishing spot, or even just your backyard lawn. The blue polyester seat material also feels robust and easy to clean, which is a huge plus for outdoor use. Overall, the Northroad Folding Compact Camping Moon Chair delivers on its promises. It's a fantastic blend of comfort, robust durability, and thoughtful portability. If you're tired of uncomfortable outdoor seating and want a reliable, cozy spot wherever your adventures take you, this chair is an amazing choice. It truly transforms your outdoor relaxation experience.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.